Good morning and welcome back to Jolly Darling Travel. Today we are checking out of our one-night stay at Port Orleans French Quarter and we are heading over to the BoardWalk Villas for a week extravaganza of 4th of July. So we're going to do this in style. We are going to order a minivan. I never do split stays here at Walt Disney World. My friend Lauren does. I'll link her below if you want split stay content and how to get around, especially with a toddler. However, I'm going to do it today with my mom and it's about 9 o'clock a.m. So let's order Uber. Not an Uber, a Lyft, because Lyft is the only one that you can order. It's the only service that you can order a minivan. So we are going to BoardWalk. I already priced this out earlier. Normally I wouldn't do this, but we have luggage and we want to be picked up literally at our building. And with that, we can get picked up at building 7. Don't mind my voice. So we are going to click minivan. And you help with bags. Yes, we are going to need help with bags. And we are getting confirm and request. I don't know. I feel like I shouldn't hit confirming request because Deborah still has some suitcases open, but I'm going to confirm a request in just a moment. Okay, so finally, suitcases are closed up. Let's confirm and request. Help with bags. We're confirming we're getting picked up at building 7. All right, see driver details in 1 to 2 minutes. Generally, when you do split stays, they will come and pick up your luggage from your room and deliver them to your resort, so you can technically just go right to the park. However, we are going to take our luggage down to the minivan. It's going to pick us up at building 7 and head on over to BoardWalk. Okay, after a struggle, we went out the wrong way. Our minivan is here. Are these little screens new?
No. We've had those for since 2024.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that just goes to show you. Arriving to the BoardWalk in style. Welcome home! Okay, so our room is situated. We had to get 3 separate reservations for the villa because we couldn't get it from the 2nd to the 8th. But Lottie at the front desk was really amazing. Just gonna keep checking to make sure we can stay in our same villa. If not, we are gonna have to transfer, but we knew that that was the case because it's never guaranteed. So now we are set up at the pool. I love the new pool band situation because guess what? It's not crowded. So we checked in with our bands already, and they do have somebody standing here, which is preferable. And now we're gonna go back in. Thank you. I remember, yeah. Oh, yeah, we got the bands. Thank you. So we're sitting at this pool because my dad doesn't really love this pool so much because it's loud. So we're gonna sit here while he is driving in later. He's arrived. He's finally here. And see, I said he had his blue shorts on and his blue shirt. He is here. Okay, so this is 3093. This is a 1-bedroom villa at BoardWalk. It is really nice. I think this is much bigger than the Saratoga villa. We have a full closet when you first come in. We have the little breakfast nook. These are all fully refurbished. We have a nice little kitchen, just like at Saratoga. Comes with all of your plates, dishes, silverware, actually with Keurig / coffee maker, which my mother will be happy about. because she prefers Keurig. Now, what's really unique about this room is they have a double balcony, which I think is really nice, and the view is unbelievable. So this is a water view, and actually Hollywood Studios is right there. I'm wondering if we'll be able to see fireworks. We have the quiet pool down here. I think that's a barbecue area, because this is the DVC side, so I assume that's the DVC like building where you would, not building, but an area where you would go and maybe like a community center. I haven't explored this area. There's also the walkway that goes to Hollywood Studios from here, so that's really nice. Now, I'm gonna cheat, closing this door, and I'm gonna go into the main bedroom door to their balcony, and this is their room, which I just think is really nice. Yeah, I feel like that chair should go in the living room though. Lots and lots of storage, high beds, plugs on the side of the bed, which is really nice. Now this is only a 1 bathroom, but I actually think this tub, now don't mind that, my dad actually turns that off. This is a nice tub, not a double sink like at Saratoga, but the closet space is absolutely insane. So we have another huge closet. Now I'm not gonna go through that door because I get dizzy doing that. Washer and dryer, stand-up shower, toilet, and another sink. Now this toilet is out in the open. I want to say the Saratoga one was in a little nook, which made it a little easier. Dishwasher, full fridge. It's just unbelievable. That Murphy bed's gonna come down. Gorgeous. Beautiful fixtures. Extra pillow and blanket for the Murphy bed. So yeah, so let's just take one more peek around. Perfect.